Just gonna do a little track time today. We got our Surpass Hobby KK Series 2838 along with the Surpass Hobby 35 amp that goes along with it, corresponding with it. So it should be a good run. We're using the Surpass Hobby 4-channel Dumbo clone, and on our custom 12 fixed the steering on it, so it's all around. It's going to be a good test. We'll get her ripping and see how we do. Hopefully she runs nice. Get Lando out there and burp. Anyways, yeah, I'm testing the stock 2S battery. Nothing fancy this time around. We're just going to do testing the motors first. Worry about performance later, increases. So I'm not sure how well this is going to work. It's 5100 kV. Should be okay on the carpet, but you never know. It might cog. It's using a 17-tooth pinion. Could probably bump it down to a 15, but we'll see. This is also the one with the slipper clutch. Gem RC. This is total Gem RC. It's not really more like a Relarlo than an EMB. Anyways, be right back on the course.
Hey, all right, let's get her on the track. This is our Surpass Hobby test build. Looks pretty good. It's 2838 5100 kV. I normally run 36 to 45 on this 4500 kVs on the track. See, we got all the crap still up. We had a family birthday shindig yesterday, so a little crazy. That's why you haven't seen much content out of me compared to my normal. Holy crap, that thing is fast. Ho! I think it's gonna run good. Let me get the other camera set up. See if we get some decent shots. Not bad. Just gonna do a quick rip. You also might notice that oh, that's hooking up nice. We did change the wall a little bit, made it a little better. Oh, she's running good. Okay, now again, this is the one that we're gonna try and provide as a kit. I got the first true prototype coming. My hope is to get that over to exclusive, let him get a rip. We'll see how that goes, and let me know what he thinks, because in my opinion, if he likes it, then I did something right, you know. You know, because he's got the same idea I do. You know, there's no reason these WLs and Relarlos don't perform similarly to the LC. I mean, I understand the LC's awesome. Well, this thing is cogging a little bit, so I might have to pump down the... It might not be a bad idea to go to a 15-tooth pinion anyway. I don't have one right now, so I'll have to order that. Because I'm barely touching the throttle as it is. It's just so fast. But yeah, hope everybody's having a great weekend. Holy cow, this thing is... When you're running all them other cars all week, all them little $50 specials, ooh, that almost works. That's nice. First time I tried that. Anyways, when you're running all them $50 specials, the thing that sucks the most on those are the steering. So it's nice to get into another car that's got some decent control. hooks. Tires are a lot to do with it too. Right now I'm using the AT14, which is the same as the, whoa, I didn't want to do that. Trying not to break the body. I'm gonna have, ooh, I haven't secured down all the wires yet. Again, I want to try it out first. I'm not sure I'm going to keep this in there. But the reason I went with the Surpass setup, one, exclusive said that that 2838 is a nice setup, the KK series, and it's under $30, so it's something, it's an option I can actually put if I do kits. I can put as an option, and you know, add an extra 30-40 bucks for my time total, you know, that's for, or whatever, however it goes. You know how that marketing crap goes. Hopefully I can get a little cheaper than that and keep that price point down to under $25-30 would be ideal, but even if I didn't, I had to buy them retail. Not a bad solution. So I'm just testing it out. So far so good. Goats are out. Yeah, I hear you, buddy. I hear you. You guys are spoiled yesterday. You got more food than you know what to do with. See, it just sticks to that wall. These tires are just nice. They just stick. So EAT 124008. Same tires. The 14010 I think is the same tire too. Oh, that's so nice. So this works a lot nicer now. And now I think I got it nailed down. What's going on here? Now I think I got it nailed down. I can expand and start the next one. Battery dead already? Oh, she wants flat already. Well, I guess it was half dead. Well, that's what we're running. You see, she ran good.